The 2013 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, DVD system, heated seats, keyless entry, navigation system, running boards, traction control, backup camera, third row seat, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.